Nitong April 16 nga ay nasa ika-23 araw na tayo ng PBL All-Filipino Conference 2024 na kung saan sa unang laban ay nagkaharap ang Petrogas versus Signal na naipanalo ng Angels over HD Spikers in straight sets. Habang sa ikalawa at huling laban naman ay nagkaharap ang Cherry Tigo versus PLDT na napagtagumpayan ng crossovers against high-speed hitters in straight sets as well.
What's good, PBL fans? It's nice to be back with you here on Powerhouse Volleyball PH. Kindly do subscribe to my channel at pakihit na din ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga bagong uploads.
Ngayon naman ay sabay-sabay nating alamin ang current team standings at kung sino ba talaga ang nangunguna sa takilya as of April 17, 2024. Kasalukuyan pa rin pong solo lead ang Choco Mocho Flying Titans with 8-1 winless record. Samantala, nag-quadruple tie naman ang Petrogas Angels, Creamline Coal Smashers, PLDT High-Speed Hitters, and Cherry Tigo Crossovers na lahat ay mayroong 7-2 winless record. Habang itong Signal HD Spikers naman ay malabo na nga makapasok sa semifinals na mayroon ng 5-4 winless record. Akari Chargers is still with 4-5 winless record, followed by their sister team na Next-Led Chameleons and Galleries Tower High Risers na parehong may 3-6 winless record. Farm Fresh Foxies with 2-7 winless record, Capital One Solar Spikers with 1-8 winless record, and lastly, ang lowest ranked team na winless pa din is Strong Group Athletics with 0-9 winless record. At para naman sa ating full match schedule, narito na ang mga maglalaban-laban on a Thursday doubleheader April 18, 2024 in preliminaries na gaganapin sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. For our first game, we have Strong Group Athletics versus Farm Fresh Foxies at 4 p.m. Then for our second and also the last game for today, that is actually a much anticipated one. We have sister teams Choco Mocho Flying Titans versus Creamline Coal Smashers at 6 p.m. Ayan na po ang mga kupunan na magsasagupaan sa ika-24 na araw ng ating torneo na talagang pagsusumikapan ng Strong Group upang masungkit ang kanilang unang panalo. Haba itong Farm Fresh naman ay kasalukuyan na naghahanap ng kanilang ikatlong panalo. And lastly, ang pinaka-inaabangan ng mga volleyball fans na paniguradong magpapapuno ng venue ang pukpukan at dikdikan ng rank 1 team Choco Mocho na gustong manatiling nasa tuktok kaya hindi sila papayag na bumaba sa pwesto. At ang rank 3 team, the defending champs Creamline na gusto namang maipanalo ang laban na ito upang maging tabla sila with their sister teams sa standings.
At dito na nga po nagtatapos ang ating video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly do subscribe to my channel at pakihit na din ang notification bell para ma-notify ka sa aking mga bagong uploads.